Hello guys, today I have 20 euro session. Okay, hola, mais dia de luta, vamos chegar a ganhar. Ok, ya eu tenho o número 14 e 15. Okay, outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket? It's a matching numbers, and if we uncover the symbol lightning bolt, we win the prize shown. Double the prize shown. And if we uncover the symbol star, we win all prizes. Okay, the odds of winning are 1 in 3.30. I didn't buy according to the odds. Okay, so I'm gonna use Miss Money because it's the color match with the ticket. Okay, so we're looking for these 5 numbers: 26, 53, 54, 36, 67, 19, 60, 47, 13, 39, 59, 57, 61, 41, 65, 24, 21. That's my camera, guys. Okay, 21, nada. 45, 53. Ay, I found a match, guys. Nice. I found a match, 53. 40, 66, 33, 43, 42. Camera is dark, guys. 63, 68, 16, 51. I turn on the light, guys. It's dark. Okay, I forgot to turn on the light. 51, nada. 62. Hello guys, so I'm back because I had a visitor. Okay, so I found 53, one match. Let's hope it's a good win. Okay, of course. Okay, so money back in this ticket, guys. 10 euro. Okay, let's hope we can get back to back. Okay, we're looking for 16, 62, 18, 40, 28, 68, 48, 36, 29, 38, 11, 12, 19, nada, 22, 23, 54, 43, 56, nada, 33, 53, 14. I want to find this lightning bolt. Never found it, guys. I have never found that symbol. 31, 44, 15, 45, 69, 34, nada, 63 y 52, nada. Okay, so I only found money back, guys. No, 10 euro. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, so I got only 10 euro out of 20. I got a win, guys. 53. Okay, so at least we found a win, guys. I was hoping at least to give me 20 euro, but no, 10 euro. Okay, so at least we tried, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.